Okay, so for this problem, we're going to be working with parallelograms, but the most important thing that you need is to find out what the base is and what the height is. And as you know, you do need the formula A equals base times height. So you need to identify them in any parallelogram. So what you're going to do in this is you're going to go ahead and highlight the base in blue and the height in red. Now, one thing that I want you to remember is that when you're working with any shape, you're going to see that the base and the height are going to be perpendicular to each other. So perpendicular means that when you draw a line and you draw another line, it creates a right angle. So you'll see that square that you have, and this square is your magical square that tells you that this is going to be your base and your height. So even though it's in the middle, you still count this as your base and this is your height. So you're looking for that magical square, that miracle square that's going to help you find the base and the height. So I'm going to go ahead and give you an example on the first one. So if you look at the first first parallelogram, and I'm looking for perpendicular, you're going to go ahead and highlight the base in blue. So that's your base. Oops, sorry, wrong tool. So that's your base. So I'm going to go ahead and put B, and then your height is going to be this one, and that's going to be H. So you're going to do that for each one of those parallelograms. So make sure that you are looking for that magic square. Like I said, it's a magic square, and that's going to help you out with all your shapes from now on. So good luck on this, and when you're done highlighting, go to the next problem.